Hello, it's Jim from Tech Buzz and we're back with the Shure Aonic 40 and we're been testing these out for a bit and we're reporting on them now to tell you what we think of them. So overall, they are really quite a nice pair of headphones, which I've been looking forward to testing for a while because we've been doing a lot of earbuds and these are the first headphones 2022. So comfortable, very nice to wear for long term, and you don't sweat your ears, but again that depends on the person and the environment you're in. But for me, it's been fine for testing in home and out walking around and all that kind of stuff. And they look really nice as well. They're nice and clean, nice distinct branding here on the headphones, and nice and simple as well. And you've got your buttons here on the side which do all the work, and you've got your Bluetooth connection here, and in here you can change your active noise cancellation and environment mode and all that. And there's a big difference between both of those two, and it's something you really need to experience yourself if you can in a shop. Excellent difference between the hear through and the noise cancelling. Very impressive indeed, and I really like that aspect there. And of course you've got your 3.5mm there and your USB-C charging point here. And cups very comfortable, marked left and right as you can see. Nice twisting there, so there's plenty of room to manoeuvre in and out here like so, and they turn like that. So that's pretty much it. So overall, from the hardware perspective, the hardware and the things here, they're a really nice pair of comfortable headphones to wear, and I really like them and enjoyed using them over the last while. So next up, we're going to have a look at the app, and the app is excellent as well. So I'm going to take you into the app and show you the controls like so. So in the app here, you've got an equalizer. Got your bass boost, bass cut, treble cut, vocal boost, DESS, decrease vocal and hiss and bass and that, and your loudness. Now in here as well is where you can get some differences between each profile here, which is really cool. And again, there's the difference in something else. Of course, you can manually adjust in here by simply dragging the bars like so, which is really cool as well. I like that aspect. And if you just tap on each one, it'll bring you on to each profile like so. And the difference in here is absolutely quite amazing as well, especially with vocals and your bass and treble and all that kind of stuff. And your music will pop up in here as well. And of course you've got the rest of your stuff in here, and just your usual bits and pieces you'll find on the T's and C's. So here you can see I've got 77%. I've got my environment mode on. You can use the app as well to change if you like, and that's go in here like so. I'm just going to show you how you connect here, and we're back in. So you'll get a list of devices that pop up. You've got your button controls all in here like so, which we're going to go through now. Your USB audio mode, listening, battery and power, and you have a busy light as well, just to let people know that you're busy, which is cool. And your user guide and all that kind of stuff, your quick start videos and all that kind of jazz in there. So you're not going to be stuck learning how to use your headphones anyway, and that's important to have all that information in there. So basically everything is on the one side here. So you've got your volume. I'm going to press play and get going first of all, and you've got your volume here on this up and down, play and pause in the middle, and triple tap to reverse, double tap to skip. I'm just going to press play. You can see it going down there, and we'll reverse it now. We'll just press play. And you can see the tracks moving along there. So all that kind of stuff is in there, and they're easy enough to use, and it's kept simple, which is really nice. And you've got your voice assistant as well, should you require it, and that's pretty much it there. Of course you can answer your calls as well, and that kind of stuff as well, which I tend not to try doing too much on my headphones. But overall, for the Shure Aonic 40, excellent pair of headphones, and they've got a really nice app. Really do like the app here and how it's laid out, and the differences that are in between all these settings here, which make a huge difference if you're looking for a particular style, voiceover, music, all that kind of stuff. Your bass boost, it's a really great app, and it works really well. And it comes across well on the audio experience, which is important, and that's really important for me. Often you might get ANC boost and all these kind of things. There's not much of a difference in between, and like your hear through modes and that. But this really does have a difference in between each mode, and that's notable. Not just something that's a minor change. It's a notable difference between all these options that you have here, and that's important. So that's really about it for the Aonic 40 wireless headphones. Check them out. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up. Of course, if you have any other questions, feel free to hit us below and we'll answer them for you. But overall, like the headphones, like the app, great product overall. I can't really complain. And that'll be it for the Shure Aonic 40. Stay tuned for more hands-on reviews on techbuzzoil.com, and we'll see you in the next video.